अच्छा, easy chapter and around 8 to 9 marks coverage from this chapter will be there, right? So at least 2 MCQs will be there and other questions will be there from this chapter, right? So you have to understand carefully. Have you done this chapter earlier? Yes? Yes or no, students? Students, have you done? If yes, then please raise your hands. Okay. So first of the important thing in this chapter is mean. Can you tell me what is mean? Who will tell me? What is mean of the data? Right? Section D से कोई बताइए जी. Anyone from section D? Yeah, please tell me, beta.
It is the average of terms.
Average of terms, right? For example, we take an example, students. Very basic examples. Suppose, for example, in class 10th, you have 5 subjects. Each subject is of 100 marks. Yes. If you have to find your percentage, what is the way to calculate the percentage? Marks obtained upon total marks. If you do this, this becomes your mean, right? But if you multiply this by 100, that becomes percentage. बेटा अपना कैमरा ठीक कीजिए. 10th B, please correct your camera. Okay, चलिए. So we have started with stat, students. So the mean is total marks obtained upon total marks, right? We have different type of data, and for different type of data, we have different methods to calculate the mean. Now here we will be only discussing about group data. Now what is group data? What do you mean by group data, students? When we have done the grouping of the data, for example, we have the class intervals, right? Suppose we have class intervals. For example, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Suppose we have this data. This is the class interval, and then we have the frequencies. Let the frequencies. This is the frequency. If we have to calculate the mean of this data, how many methods we know? There are how many methods?
3 methods.
3 methods. So which method you will apply in this?
Direct method.
Direct method. Why? What is direct method? Mean is equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi. What is xi? Whatever is your class interval. This is known as
Lower limit.
lower term of the class, and this is known as upper term, right? So when you have to find, this is known as xi. Xi, the name for xi is class marks. This is known as class marks, right? What is class marks? Sum of the lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. What is the lower limit of this class? 0. Upper limit is 10. What is 0 plus 10? 10 divided by 2. What it becomes? So class marks will be 5. What will be the class marks for the next class? Yes, students. Class marks for the next class, 10 plus 20 divided by 2. How much it becomes? Yes, students, please come up. Very easy topic. क्या हो गया? छुट्टी के बाद आए हैं ना, अभी स्टडी करने के मूड में नहीं है. Yes, what happened? Tell me what will be the class marks for second class? Plus
25.
next,
35.
next.
45.
किसी स्टूडेंट को कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज टेल मी. नाउ कैलकुलेट. To calculate the mean from the direct method, we need to take the product of Fi. This is frequency is Fi. This is Xi. What is the product? M. Is it clear? Is this clear, students? Now, what is summation Fi? This is summation Fi, right? Addition of all the frequency. What it comes out to be? Yes. It comes out to be 46.
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is your summation Fi is 46. What is summation Fi Xi? What is summation Fi Xi? Please tell me. Calculate कीजिए बच्चों जरा इसको. हाँ जी, how much it comes out to be? क्यों लगा रहे हो बेटा? इसको टोटल करिए जरा Fi Xi को. Isn't it comes out to be 1100? So what will be your mean? Summation Fi over Xi. So it becomes. और करके बताइए जी स्टूडेंट्स, what is your mean? (46, 90, 23, 3 is 69, 21, 20 comes out to be approximately 23.9, right? So that will be the mean of the data. Is it clear? Is this clear, students? Now, second method, students, we have is, what is the name of the second method? That is the assumed mean method. How to do that? First of all, we will do the same question. If you have done this, I'll going to erase this. Right? So what we'll do? Here we'll take di. What is di? That is xi minus a. Here a is known as assumed mean. And how to take the a? Whatever is your class marks, take the almost middle term as the assumed mean. Here our assumed mean will be 25. This method will make your calculations easy, right? So you have taken the assumed mean as 25. Now xi minus a, this is xi minus a, 5 minus 25, that will become 15 minus 25, 25 minus 25, 35 minus 25, and 45 minus 25. Have you understood, students? Now you have taken di, right? And next step is the product of Fi and di, means the product of frequency and di. You multiply frequency by the di. How much it comes out to be? 5 into minus 20, minus 120, 0, 10 into 9, 90, and 80. What is the sum total of this? Add the negative term separately, positive term separately. So this comes out to be minus 130. Is it clear? Is it clear, students?
Yes.
Now, what is the formula for means in this? this is mean is equal to A plus summation Fi di upon summation Fi. You know what is the meaning of summation? This sign sigma is the name of the sign. What is the meaning of this? We write this as summation. आप लोग माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल यूज करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? हैव यू यूज्ड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल? यस और नो? स्टूडेंट यस और नो? तो वहां पे यूज आता है बेटा ये साइन? यस यस और नो? एक सेक्शन ने कैमरा नहीं ऑन किया हुआ, कौन सा सेक्शन? ओके स्टूडेंट, समेशन का मतलब होता है सम टोटल ऑफ ऑल. जब आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल में यूज करते हैं, यहाँ पे सारी सेल होती है, यहाँ पे आके लास्ट में समेशन लगा देते हैं, तो यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली फार्मूला आ जाता है टोटल का. समेशन मींस सम ऑफ ऑल द टर्म्स. इज इट क्लियर? राइट. तो अब यहाँ पे फार्मूला लगा देते हैं. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए? 25. द वैल्यू ऑफ summation Fi di is minus 130. And what is the value of summation Fi? 46. When you solve this, what it comes out to be? All clear students? This comes out to be 65. तो इसको जब आपने सॉल्व किया, so this comes out to be 2.7. So this comes out to be 22.3. So that is the mean in this case. Is it clear? Is it clear बच्चों?
Summation Fi 50.
Pardon?
It's minus 50.
Minus
50.
it is minus 130 students. Sorry. This is not 200. This is 120 minus 220. So this is minus 50. This is $25 minus 50 over कितना था? 46. So this comes out to be 25 minus 50 by 46. So it comes out to be approximately minus 1.46, yeah, approximately 1.1. So that comes out to be, yes, this is 23.9. पहले मेथड से कितना आया था स्टूडेंट्स? I think same was there, 23.9.
Yes, sir.
Right? So now this is the mean by the assumed mean method. Is it clear? Is it clear, बच्चों? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Can you do one question now? Can you do one question?
Yes.
Now we'll be doing the question. Open the question number 21. Open the question number 21. Right? So please do this question. Only do the mean part. You are not supposed to find out the median of the data. You have to find the mean only. On annual day of a school, 400 students participated in the function. Frequency distribution showing their ages is shown in the following table. Right? Now what is given in the table? Age. Age is 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 13, 30 into 15, 50 into 17, and 70 into 9. This is the data given, students. Here the number of students. Number of students means your frequency. This is 17. Please do this question, students. Please find the mean of this data. Everyone, please do. Don't talking. सेकेंड बेंच में जो स्टूडेंट बैठे हैं 10th C में, both white shirts, they are not doing. You have to do this question by the assumed mean method, students. Although you can do it by the direct method also, but please do it by the assumed mean method. बेटा 10th B में फ्रंट बेंच पे जो गर्ल स्टूडेंट बैठे हैं, have you done it? You are not doing it.
So she has written.
Right. Very good. Please carry on, बच्चे. सेक्शन 10D, ये पीछे 3-4 ग्रुप बैठा है बॉयज का ना, all white shirts. Teacher present, please check whether they are doing it or not. Section 10D. नहीं नहीं मैं बैक साइड में बिल्कुल पीछे जो बचे हैं. हाँ जी.
They are doing.
Student, this is very important topic और आपके लिए मतलब पास कराने वाला टॉपिक है, राइट?
Got 10.17.
10.17. Okay. Any other student done? 10.17 और 10.7 बचे? 10.17 और 10.7?
17.
Right. Any other student have done? हाँ जी, student 10A. Why you are talking, both the girl students? first bench and diagonally second bench. Yes, बच्चे डाउट है आपको? प्लीज स्टैंड अप, प्लीज स्टैंड अप. 10th A front bench girl. What is not clear to you, beta?
Sir, my answer.
No problem, beta. Whatever your answer, we'll discuss it. You do your question,
Okay, sir.
right? I'll explain the question and then all of you can check your answer. You do yourself, right? So don't get confused or tense if your answer is not matching with someone else's answer. Anji bachcho, how many of you have done? Please raise your hands. Only 2-3 students, all section milake. 1, 2, others. Anyone in 10E? किसी ने नहीं किया 10E में? 10C एक स्टूडेंट ने किया, एक ने भी नहीं किया 10C में भी. अच्छा, एक ने कर लिया जी. What about 10B? Anyone completed? ये लोग तो मुझे नजर ही 3 लोग आ रहे हैं.
आपको XI के बाद DI का कॉलम बनाना है, फिर FI DI का बनाना है. पता नहीं क्या डायरेक्ट मेथड से करे जा रहे हैं. He told you to do by assumed mean.
Right, students? Those who have done it, very good. जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया, please have a look. First of all, we have to take the class marks, that is XI. What is the class marks? Every interval की जो upper limit plus lower limit है, दोनों को add करेंगे. What is the upper limit in this interval? First interval 7. Lower limit is 5. If when you add them 5 plus 7, it becomes 5 plus 7 by 2. That is the way to make class marks. So what it comes out to be, students? 12 by 2, that is 6. So class marks here will be 6. Now remember one thing. Whatever is the class width. What is the class width, students? कितने का गैप है बच्चे अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट में? 2 का. 7 minus 5 is 2. So add 2 to the every terms, you will get the class marks. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2 and 16 plus 2. Is right, students? This is your class marks. Now you have to assume mean. How many classes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7. So this is the middlemost. Take this as your assumed mean, right? So now what you have to take? DI. What is DI? XI minus A. What is XI for this class? 6. 6 minus 12 minus 6. 8 minus 12 minus 4. 10 minus 12 minus 2. 12 minus 12 0. 14 minus 12 2. 16 minus 12 4. 18 minus 12 6. This is your DI. Now you have to take FI DI. What is FI? 70. 70 multiplied by minus 6. 70 multiplied by minus 6. 420. 120 multiplied by minus 4.
Minus 480.
Minus 480. 32 multiplied by minus 2.
Minus 64.
100 into 0.
0.
45 into 2.
90.
28 into 4.
120.
112 बच्चे 112. Right? 5 into 6.
30.
So what is the total of the negative terms? What is the total? Minus 964. Yes. What is the total here?
232.
What is the sum total? Summation fi di
minus 732.
minus 732.
Yes.
What is the fi? Summation fi
400.
is given 400. So now we have to calculate mean. What will be the mean, students? 12 plus, that is minus. I have the minus sign. Minus 732 over
400.
4. Right? So solve this. 12 minus 732 divided by 400. Right? First of all, cut 2 zeros, put decimal here. This is clear? 4 ones are 4. Right? 4 eights are 32. And 4 threes are 12. So if you subtract 1.83 from 12, what it comes out to be? जिन जिन स्टूडेंट्स का 10.17 आंसर था, that is the correct answer. Is this clear, students? Those students have got the answer 10.17. That is the correct answer. जिनका कुछ और आ रहा है, so they need to check their calculations. Is this clear? Is it clear, students? Am I audible? Any doubt in this? Oh, Anji. Right. So student, we will move to the next concept, that is step deviation method. Step deviation method. Have you done this method, students?
Yes, sir.
Have you done? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me where this method is applied? Why? Suppose we have a question. We have to calculate its mean. Whether I should apply the assumed mean method or step deviation method. Which method is preferred? How we decide? Anji,
Step deviation because it makes calculations easier.
step deviation?
Makes calculations more easier.
Yes. Step deviation makes calculation more easier. If your class intervals are of very high values, very high terms, right? So there you shall apply the this step deviation method to make your calculation easier. For example, let's say we take an example. Here we have the class interval. Let's say it is 100 to 200, 200 to 300, right? 300 to 400. If we have this class intervals, and here frequency is right. This is the frequency. Now in this case, we shall apply the step deviation method. See, what is step deviation method? First of all, again the process is same. We have to take class marks. What will be the class marks? 100 plus 200 divided by 2.
150.
150.
Here the gap is 100. So 150, 250, 350, 450 and 550. So whatever is the gap or whatever is the class width, right, of the data, that will be the difference between the class marks. This is clear? So now again the same concept. First of all, assume the mean. What mean we shall assume here?
350.
Yeah, this is the middlemost term. So we take this as A. Now in this method, in place of DI, we have here UI. What is UI? UI is XI minus A divided by H. What is H? What is H, students? H is the class width. What is the class width? 200 minus 100, that is 100. So whatever is the difference between the upper limit and lower limit is known as class width. So in this case, class width is 100. So what will be UI? Xi minus A upon H. What is Xi? 150 minus 350 divided by. So what it comes out to be? Yes, tell me what it comes out to be. Minus 2. So here it will be minus 2. Similarly, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Right? 250 minus 350. That is minus 100 divided by 100, minus 1. 350 minus 350, 0. 450 minus 350, 100 divided by 100, 1. 550 minus 350 divided by 100, 2. Is this clear? Only this step is different, right? Now, next step is again you have to take the product of frequency and UI. So what is the frequency in this case? 32 multiplied by minus 2, minus 64. 57 into minus 1, minus 57. 104 into 0, 0. 22 into 1, 22. 8 into 2, 60. Now again, add the negative term separately and the positive term separately. Here it is 38. So what will be the summation FIUI minus 83. Any doubt till this step, students? Any doubt? Anything is not clear, then please let me know. So only thing is in place of DI we have taken UI. UI क्या होता है बच्चे? UI is DI upon H, right? DI को आपने H से divide कर दिया, then you will get UI, right? So FI UI. So we have this term minus 83. What is the frequency? What is the frequency, students?
Two 23.
223, right? Is it clear? So now you have to calculate the mean. What is the formula for? What is the formula for mean here? A plus H multiplied by FI UI summation FI. So this is the formula, students. Only thing is here you will multiply it by the H, right? So what is A here? What is H? 100 multiplied by minus 83 upon 223. Is it clear? Any doubt, students? Process same है बच्चों. Only thing is यहाँ पे देखिए हम अब जो UI ले रहे हैं, we are dividing every term by H. लास्ट में जाके उसी H से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. So one and same thing, right? Only thing is we are making the calculation more easier. That is known as step deviation method. Only difference between step deviation and shortcut method is step deviation you will apply only when the intervals are uniform. अगर आपके intervals की width जो है वो different है, uniform नहीं है, then you cannot apply the step deviation method. Is this clear, student? Generally आप लोगों के level पे जो class interval होता है वो uniform ही होता है. Is it clear? Is this clear, students?
Yes.
Right? So only thing, two things you have to look into. One is the interval is uniform. Another is the class interval जो है आपका, they have the higher terms. So that this method is used to make the calculation easier. Is it clear? Is it clear, students? So we have done with the concept of mean. Now we'll do some questions, right? Now we do the question number 19. Just have a look at the question number 19. Very, very important question, students. The mean of the following distribution is 48. Here mean of the data is given and sum of all the frequencies is 50. Find the missing frequencies X and Y. So here we have to find the missing frequencies. So I'll do this question for you. You please do this. Here the class intervals is given 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then the frequency is 8, 6, X, 11. Another thing is given, the total frequency is 50. Two things are given. One is given, mean is given 48, right? And total frequency is given 50. So you have to find X and Y. Now students, please tell me which method you will apply here. Which method? Yeah, please tell me, student. Yes, 10A.
Sir, direct method.
Why not shortcut assumed mean method?
Sir, because frequency is not given, so we can not find FIXI directly. FIDI.
FIDI directly. Yes, we can do it. We can apply any of the methods, students. Yes, you are right. Direct method. Generally, students generally prefer direct method, but you can use any of the method. Why can't you use other methods, students? I'll show you to do the this by the assumed mean method. देखिए हम assumed mean method से कैसे करेंगे students? Take the class mark. That is xi. What will be the xi? Okay, 25. Is this clear, ji? Is it clear, students? Class marks. Now tell me what will be the assumed mean in this case? 45 will be the assumed mean. What is di? What is di? 25 minus 45 minus 20. Is it clear? Is this clear? Now total frequency is given 50. So one equation you can form from the frequency. What it becomes? X plus Y plus, you add this, plus 25 equal to 50. So what is the value of student X plus Y? 25, right? So one equation you have got here. Now what is FIDI? What is FIDI? Multiplied by F by DI, that is minus 160, minus 60, 0, 110, and 21. Is it clear? Is this clear, students? Now add them. When you will add, what it becomes? And here it will be. Any doubt till now? What will be the sum total of these two? Minus 110. आप लोगों ने बच्चे this plus this किया, जब दोनों को किया, what you got? Minus 110 plus 20y. Any doubt till now? Any doubt, students? देखिए कैलकुलेशन पार्ट में अगर आप लोगों को कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. Just we have done simple calculation, right? Is this clear? इसके बाद क्या करते हैं, जल्दी से मैं क्वेश्चन फिनिश कर देता हूँ। देखिए बच्चे, आपको गिवन है, मीन गिवन है 48 इक्वल टू एज्यूम्ड मीन प्लस समेशन FI DI divide by the total frequency. So what you got? 48 minus 45 equal to minus 110 plus 20y divided by 50. So this becomes 3 into 150. So this becomes 3 into 50. है ना? One. So 150 plus 110 equal to 20y. So y will be equal to, students, 260 by 20. That is y is 13, right? So we have x plus y plus 25 equal to 50. So we have x plus y की वैल्यू कितनी है बच्चे? 13 plus 25 plus 50. So x will comes out to be 50 minus 38. That is, x will be 12. So x is 12, y is 13. Is it clear? Is this clear, students? So you can do by any of the method. You can even apply the step deviation method also. Any doubt in this question? So right, students, so we'll finish here for today's class. Tomorrow we'll continue. So thank you very much, all the students and to all the teacher present for your cooperation.